Welcome to LKRR Principious English School. Dear student, we already started the chapter. Name of chapter is the atoms and molecules. In atoms and molecules chapter, we studied that is the first word concept in last class, law of chemical combination. Now 3 laws of chemical combination. 1. Law of conservation of mass. Second, law of constant proportion. Third, law of multiple proportion. Out of these 3 laws, we will study first law. It is the law of conservation. Law of conservation of mass. So, this law of conservation of mass is firstly explained by the scientist Louis. He given the statement of law of conservation of mass. Actually, we can simply having the first one statement, law of conservation of mass, like the statement of law of conservation of energy. Statement is that, like we know that energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It is only converted one form to the another. That is the total energy remains constant. Or total energy remains constant. Same, we have in the statement, mass neither be created nor be destroyed. Mass neither be created nor be destroyed. So, but remains constant. Remains constant means remains constant. This is the first one statement. Means neither be created nor be destroyed. Mass remains what? Constant in a chemical reaction. This is the first one. So second one, we can also use in place of mass, matter neither be created nor be destroyed, but remains constant. So in place of constant means remains constant. In place of the mass, we can simply use the word matter. That matter neither be created nor be destroyed. That matter, it is always constant or it is always constant. This is the statement of the law of conservation of mass. That is the third one statement. So, we also have in the third one statement. And third statement, it is that in a chemical reaction, total mass of product is equal to total mass of reactant. What is our statement? Total mass of product, it is equal to the total mass of reactant. This is again one of the statement of law of conservation of mass. Means mass of reactant is equal to the mass of product. It is also the simple statement of this law of conservation of mass. So, to understand this concept, we have simple one example. That example, it is that H2 plus this Cl2, this H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to twice HCl. Now, the mass of two hydrogen, one hydrogen atom it is the 1 and two hydrogen atom it is the 2. Graph. This chlorine, one chlorine is the 35.5 and two chlorine become 71. So, this become two hydrogen is the 1 with the 1 and chlorine it is the 35.5, means 1 plus the 35.5 is the 36.5. It is again equal to the actually 73. Means 2 plus 71 and this is the 73. It is the 73. Total mass of reactant, it is equal to the total mass of product. Means in a chemical reaction, mass neither be created nor be destroyed. Mass remains constant, mass remains constant. This simply we explain by using this example. I think you always understand this example. Okay? So, we will study the one activity based on this law of conservation of mass. We will study that activity in the next class. I think you always understand these three statements and this is the example. So, thank you student about the law of conservation of mass.